No be small competition, oh my people. Right now, many things they burn inside fire. People don't plenty now for Nigeria where they won't resurrect death, raise death. In fact, many matter concerning dead people. My people now say I no fit just carry this thing by myself. Oh, I need bring her for now. In name now Onyeze Jesus. I just say many of you now know am by now. They say na the man where they do wonders. My people now, this man don't come outside. Oh, he can't tell me, say, Madam Aproko, I won't make you tell these people on my behalf. You understand? Because now only like this, it will go viral. So he need make una know. So for now, we in Nigeria, Anambrarians, because into say today, oh. Make you know later because now I bring this message early like this. Say today, make you ready because he go for the what did they call a mortuary. See now they go raise 7 dead bodies. 7, oh, it not be 1 or more. This one a serious wonders. I bet for una we no know what they happen. Una won't know who be who for this Naija way we dey. I don't bring una the man himself. So because join me, make una hear am with una own ears.
Everybody tell them that Onyeze Jesus will raise 7 dead bodies in the mortuary in the city of Onitsha. 28th of this month, January 28th, I will be in a top hospital in this Onitsha, the biggest hospital in this Onitsha, to raise a mortuary, to raise 7 dead bodies. Before, and just wait date.
I don't tire for this power way everybody wants show their self. I don't tire. Oh, this one they bring you. This one they bring. See, I look right, Nganu, resurrection. I look left, resurrection. I look up and down, resurrection. Waiting happen, Naija. This one not be the first one, no. People, I know we want to talk about this thing, but now the matter just like this man just provoke the spirit within inside me. Now I say make I bring this one come aside. My people, I want to announce the originator of the dead bodies. For now we don't know him. The lion himself. Odubeje. I bet bring this man come outside, Mr. Lion. Bros, sorry. Make I give you respect, you understand? Sir, I don't hear your matter since. And the thing just they scratch my throat. See, I don't bring you competitor. Not with this way they do. You say you feel raise dead body. You even come outside, say anybody will no say, or you challenge all the juju men, all the my brother, I don't bring you correct competitor. Because this one, you want raise 7 at once. Not be say 1 at a time. Once, go raise them up. Now I don't bring and call your side. You understand? This one are the challenge where you announce. Now be this so. Onyeze Jesus. Keep the name very well because today. Una go come show una self. You understand? So make you just get ready. Una no know. For una we no even know how in English be when they talk, how the voice smooth or be deep. I beg, I don't bring una video where this man they challenge people because many of una just they look me live. Una no understand what they talk about. So Biko, join me, make we listen to the lion.
2020 is going to believe herself forever. I'm the lion himself. I'm the liquid metal. I'm in double skipper Jose. No mercy for Satan. No mercy for any native doctor. Wait for my fight. You have nothing to offer. All native doctors are criminals, collecting your chickens and your cow and your goat. There is only one God and there is only one power, and that man is Jesus Christ. If he has power, come out in a stadium to compete with me. Then they give you and I 2 dead people. Anyone that resurrected it has the power. Don't forget there is only one God and there is only one power, and that man is Jesus Christ.
wetin remain again make person never see for Nigeria? No, make una tell me wetin remain. Chai. Since the time when this man talk this thing, hey challenge, I never see you. Now why I call am out? You understand? Because this one, it must happen today. Now today be the day. I don't tire for these people. They want show themselves. They want show themselves. Oh yeah, make una show una self. No, they talk plenty. I never see where pastors they come outside they challenge like this. All my life, this ones. And if it not happen, na me and una today. So I dey wait. Una just like they disgrace una self for public. Una just they catch cruise with us. Now I want do this one. I want make una raise am. Even God talk am say it go deny many people. All of una we just they come outside in the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus. That day we go see all this and what una they do. We go see am. No be nye una they do. Chai! If una want my advice, make una start to dispose some people from this nation. If not, they go just destroy us, finish. I mean, my people, why will they wait? May the resurrection take place, you understand? But no worry, now I need subscribe. Make I talk about before I forget. Now why I need subscribe? If not, we now no go get the results of who resurrect and who no resurrect. You understand? But meanwhile, another interesting matter day here. This one they very, very hot. Hot and cold. Ibadan day of serious fire now, my people. I just say many of you know this man, what they call Sunday Igboho. Now Yoruba activist. This one na fighter. Now, in fact, some big time where people even they call him, what did they call him, notorious. The people just they give a different name because of his behavior. But at least it better pass some people where you understand they use those their strong agberu character. They keep people. At least this one, if they use them, they save life, they protecting people. Oh, this guy no they joke. Oh. Not even try go inside say you want do my people now. So he give headsmen where they Ibarapa serious deadline. Internet say they get from year to year. Say if they no pack their things come up for that community because many insecurities, many kidnapping, many killing. And me and you know who again go do am? Na them. So the man don't vex. Come as I say, now this be your last chance. So make una pack. Come out. And after this thing happen, my people now no go believe and so this man house catch fire. Ask me how. No, now who you go think after this serious warning in house born? Now still the headsmen. So now my people don't bring una the video. So for now we don't know wetin happen, how the house look like, wetin born and wetin no born. Because join me, make we watch the video. When this video reach me, I couldn't wonder say, nobody go help this guy. Where are the Yoruba politicians? You understand? I no couldn't understand, my head couldn't scatter. She now the person himself. I couldn't wonder because my people, waiting Amoteku they do. Amoteku no be the reason why they form that thing. Instead of made they come support their brother, support their own. They arrest GSS students where they told say they be Malians. Now work be that. My people now so my heart won't break. I don't carry the matter person. I even won't keep person. Now so they just come and say, Madam Aproko, you know here the latest. So right now, another update don't come from this matter. Yoruba politicians don't stand up now. In fact, they don't wake up. Be like say matter just reach there. Now so Yoruba people come sit down, come plan and they go call Buhari. Relax. They can't tell Buhari say, okay, we know say all of us they want for this politics thing, but this one our people, now our person. You understand? So may nothing happen to this guy. Anyhow, where your boys, be your northern people, they won't do it. May they not touch this man. If not, he go turn war. Hey! To hold and behold, my people, now so according to the news, they come tell me say, Buhari agree. What a shock. Even me myself, up till now, I never believe her. Now why I bring the video? I want make una listen to the Sunday himself. You understand? Where they narrate, in they talk to him, people, they explain the whole situation. So because join me, make we listen to Sunday.
Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Mo filẹ̀ Yorùbá búra gbogbo wọn náà kò dùn mọ́ wọn àwọn náà ti wá já wọ́n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ sókè àwọn náà ọ̀dẹ̀ ní gbà ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn alágbára ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó ti sáré fòun lẹ̀ pé Buhari tó bá dán wò.
Hey. These people call Buhari. No, the thing still they do me like dream. So Buhari feel listen. Hey? And they suspect say something. Another thing they inside this thing. Una no hear this thing. Ah, sorry. Wahala for uno hear Yoruba o. Now we dey talk. Now we dey talk. But I dey hope say Buhari hear this thing o. I hope say he hear am because that man the way he ear dey do, he ear be like basket. You understand? The same way you know people water inside basket, it dey leak. Now so I don't insult anybody. I just dey describe baskets. You understand? I just hope saying here because tomorrow now that's how they go come they change matter. We need more of this man. Sunday. We need more. No, make una imagine. Just imagine if we get this kind man for the 36 states within Nigeria. People from outside say go they call us for help. You understand? Say make we help them. Now like this we need them. Nobody some way everybody they do their own. Some people they face left, some people they face right. Togetherness, this man don't fight. See, through that way they talk, no be lie. If you won't fight for Nigerians, you must be ready to lose everything. See in house don't go. But at least, even though we don't know the reason why Buhari agree, but at least he don't reach one level where we don't see a success. You understand? Now these kind of things we they talk about. Now brother, I beg. Now beg I they beg you. Be careful. Because me, even if na Yoruba politicians, I still not trust them. I not trust anybody because now they feel gang up. You understand? Catch them unaware. Anything will happen for Nigeria. I don't tell you this thing before. Expect anything from Nigerians, especially politicians. Now here we dey. But my brother, still on the matter. You understand? You need to hide yourself. Be careful. My people, now I bring this case. I beg, make we join hands, make we protect this man. It is very, very important. You understand? Make we protect him because anything will happen. Tori Olo, Ejo, I beg. My Yoruba people, I don't come, Ejo, make we protect this man because it means a lot. He don't save many people from different things. So I'm not going to understand until you hear him, you see him. Yes, now the matter be this for 101 TV and maybe you are Aproko, madam. I know so you enjoy this thing now. Why you need subscribe so that nobody miss anything when we drop. And make sure say you share this video because Ibadan people need know waiting they happen. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.